Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to set up kick alerts on OBS. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now the first thing you're going to do first is go to Bottricks Live over here. By simply typing this or searching it into Google, you will be able to go to this website over here. Either Trovo, Twitch, YouTube, and Discord over here. We're going to go with Twitch for the meantime. Now after that, this is what you're going to see. What you're going to do now is you're going to set up your kick section over here. I'm going to unlink this for the meantime. Click on unlink. And you're going to click on sign in with kick and enter your username. For me, this is my username. I'm going to click on accept. And what you're going to type into here is the given name over here. You're going to have to copy this green font over here. Please give the moderator role to Bottricks. You're simply going to copy that and paste it over here. And you're going to wait and you're going to select this option over here. Make sure that it is exactly the same so you don't have any issues later on. You're going to click on that and click on add. Just like that. And going back here, you're going to click on continue. And now you will be able to see this section over here. We have our moderator. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on this link. You will see this link over here. It's a chat room and you're going to copy this link over here. Just like that. Copy that and paste it over here. And after doing this, you're going to go back here, click on finish. And now you will be able to connect with your kick. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to alerts. And now in this section, you're simply going to choose from subscription, gift sub, followers, raid, or bits over here, depending on what you would like. For now, we're going to go with followers. You have to click this active alert. And you have to edit or do whatever style or editing you would like in this section. It depends on you. And after doing this, you're going to copy your widget URL over here. Click on copy. And you're going to open whatever streaming program you have. For us, we're going to use Stream OBS. Over here, you're going to click on the plus button on the sources. Click on browser. And then you're going to click on OK. And you're simply going to type in or paste the URL that we have over here. Just like that, click on OK, and you will be able to have an alert section in the specific section of your recording. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching.